This is BBC contest with a broadcaster what's in with Brookhaven cities will be coming better as hard as it can. And then we see Carl crashes in the helicopter. And then you see Nelson away. And BBC contest and contest bring this cameras around BBC. See? Take another view at another city in the town. Go back with the car crash. Near the right there, the right is broken. And then you'll see you in the next day. Be ready for more news in minutes.
This broadcast is the EAS system. The black hole is in the sky and it's...
The National Aeronautics and Space Administration have discovered that there was a tiny black dot in the sky, and it is not some familiar object you see every day. The object is unknown, but some scientists have said that it looks suspicious. Everyone is required to stay in their homes until further notice. Please wait while we gather more information. We have received more information about the tiny black dot. It is not some high-flying bird or a plane. It is a black hole that generated at the edge of our solar system. We aren't making this up. We are now getting reports that it is getting huge so fast. We have no time for final goodbye or a national anthem. We are all going to die instantly. It's coming fast.